Hello, in front of me I've got Volvo S60. In this video I'll show you how to select function for favorite button. In the beginning take a look at the screen display and next go to My Car and Settings. Select favorite and now select from radio, media or navigation. Now, if you press favorite button, you will use this function. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.